What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash that subscribe button. If not, thanks for your continued support. Today we are at another body repair work day on this 2011 Saab 9.5. We purchased this thing off Copart. So if you haven't been following the build, check out some of the previous links. We've been bringing this thing back to life. In fact, the good news of this video, if you guys haven't watched the previous video, is we're actually going to be replacing this door completely. Somebody had reached out with a parts car that was about to go to the scrapyard. The car was made and manufactured within weeks of this car, which is amazing. So the paint match and everything should be pretty straightforward and pretty close, which is really awesome. So we don't have to paint this door. We were planning on painting this door and hoping that the paint matched perfectly, and in this case we don't have to worry about that any longer. And we're gonna have a new trim piece on the bottom, so all of the actual damage that was on this door will be replaced completely, and we should have a perfect looking car when we're done. I mean, this car is gonna look pretty much brand new, minus a couple little scuffs here and there, which is the way I like my cars. We like it completely pantsified. So check out the link below, all the merch. If you guys want to support me in any other way, please be sure to check out some of the merch that we have down in the description and below this video. You guys are awesome. So without further ado, let's hop into this. We're going to disassemble the interior door card and prepare this thing to remove from the car, because obviously the new door that's coming does not have that interior part. So we're just going to make sure everything is off of this one that we need. We'll go from there. Let's hop into it. From my slight understanding of normal door cards, there's gonna be some hidden screws. So we pull this up, we can actually completely detach this switch and see what else is in here. Obviously, I see some screws. See one over here, and yeah, definitely one. There's a Torx bit right there. And yeah, we should just kind of see, hopefully that's the only Torx bit in this door that's hidden, and then we can just unpop the clips. So let's see what we can do here. Alright guys, so sneaky screw is actually right here. There is a little gap on the door handle that removes that screw. There's another Torx bit. So one Torx bit underneath the window switch, and then like I just showed you, right, one back in there. So pretty sneaky, but you don't need to pop any panels off here. Let me get that out. Alright guys, so it is the next day here. I ended up wrestling the door panel off. If you guys look here, there's a little square box, which is where a clip goes in that screws the door handle on, and I couldn't get the plastic off of the door handle to get to that screw, so I ended up just pulling it out, which is fine. I don't think anything broke, but in the interim, we are ready to take this door apart here. So I'm just going to remove the speaker because we need that, and then figure out the wiring harness, and should be good to go. Knock it out. Alright guys, so one bolt holds the speaker in, harness, and then I went ahead and just removed this rubber covering, and then this purple tab here just pulls down on the harness to release it from the car. So now I'm gonna go ahead and remove this 10 millimeter bolt here that holds that in, and then we can go ahead and remove the bolts from the door, and the door will fall off. So we are ready to go, pretty much. And yeah, all good stuff. Let's knock that out. All right, guys. Big moment of truth here. Got 10mm bolts on this side too. All right. Door is ready to come off. And that's how that's done, guys. There you go, guys. That is how it's done. A little bit of a struggle getting that panel off, but the rest of it was pretty straightforward, so. Hell yeah. All right, guys, so we got the new door. Let's reinstall this real quick. Ready for it? Here it comes. Up. Got our new harness in. Alright. See how the doors look. Nice and even. Nice and even. I think we're good. Oh man, it's working. Cool. And the paint matches. Damn, guys. Nice and even lines. Just gotta clean up the door a little bit, polish it like the rest of the car. This is nice and even, like nothing ever happened. Look at that. Sick. I got the chrome piece I gotta install next. So that's easy. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got some good news for you. A couple days later here, but we got this door installed, complete. Everything's good. Got that chrome piece on there nicely. And if I go inside, you guys can see that the door panel's on there properly. And paint matches. It's kind of like nothing has ever happened to this car. It's pretty awesome. Good look out from the Saab community here on these parts. So I'm gonna leave you guys off on that. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna actually go into final paint on the front bumper. The paint has arrived. I just haven't had time yet to do that, so stay tuned for that. If you guys are following the build, we are almost done and almost complete with the body work on this car, and it's getting pretty exciting. This car is almost perfect, minus a couple little wear and tear areas on the outside of the car. Other than that, there's no major damage left, so pretty exciting stuff. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.